My nutritionist told me to eat oatmeal every day, so I'm going to Whole Foods to get oatmeal. Bye! Secure the bag. Fuzzy, I need you to come home now. I don't know why you're not coming with me. I don't like going places without you. Bye. I got pizza and lava cakes, and I need you to come home so we can eat and play Mario Kart. I feel so weird, Fuzzy. I could, like, literally start crying at any second. I hate this feeling. Fuck. Tell me I look cute. I got the butter, baby. I love you. It's 5:30 a.m. I'm going to the gym. Have a good day, Fuzzy. I miss you. Come home. Josephine.